Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this desktop fan. So guys, in the box you get a long USB power cable, you get a nice manual, and this is it. So this is what it looks like. You guys can pause the video if you would like to see some more information. But yeah, looks like a really nice fan. And this is big. Having a cable this long is a must. I hate when you get a fan and the cable's like that long. It's unusable. This is a good length. So because this is foldable, it makes for perfect storage and also perfect angling. So as you guys can see, you can angle this fan wow, that's actually impressive. I can't believe it's not falling. So right there, about that far. And if you wanted to, you could put a weight under there and it would stay that high. But you get the point. You guys can angle this at different angles. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see if it actually blows some air. Okay, now that we got it plugged in, we have different modes. I believe there's a couple settings. Not that loud. Let's go. Oh yeah, we can really feel it now. You can definitely feel the breeze. Let's see if there's another setting. There we go. Yeah, so that's nice, and it looks like the color changes as well. We had blue, then green, now red. Yeah, you can definitely feel the breeze on this setting. And then off. So yeah, you got 3 settings. Yeah guys, overall it's nice. Definitely gonna be nice up in our office on summer days.